Bill Gates lives a relatively private life despite his immense wealth and influence. He resides primarily in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States, where he owns a large estate called Xanadu 2.0. This mansion is renowned for its cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly design. Despite his wealth, Gates is known for his modest lifestyle, often opting for casual attire and simple pleasures like reading and playing bridge. He's deeply involved in philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which focuses on global health, poverty alleviation, and education. Gates also spends a significant amount of time traveling to meet with world leaders, scientists, and experts to discuss pressing global issues. Despite his busy schedule, he prioritizes family time with his wife, Melinda, and their 3 children. Overall, Gates balances his personal life, philanthropic work, and business endeavors with a commitment to making a positive impact on the world.